Here's what you are going to need to unlock polyphony in your Eurorack system using Tiptop Audio's new line of polyphonic Eurorack modules. The first thing you are going to need is a controller. If you'd like to use a hardware MIDI sequencer or the DAW to control your Eurorack system, then the Octopus is the controller for you. If you'd rather use a CV and gate source such as a Eurorack sequencer that does not have a MIDI output, then check out the ART Volt Proctive Quantizer. The next thing you are going to need is a polyphonic oscillator such as the Vortex 6. The Vortex 6 is a 6-voice digital wavetable oscillator. If you plan to use your existing Eurorack modules to complete your polyphonic system, then these are the only two modules you're going to need. You can use the individual outputs on Vortex 6 into multiple filters and multiple VCAs, and then run the individual gate outputs into multiple envelopes. You can also create a paraphonic voice by running the mix output into a single filter and a single VCA, and then mix the gate outputs using a mixer capable of mixing CV, such as the Mix 7. If you'd like to dive into a fully polyphonic system with single point patching, then there are a few more modules and cables you're going to need. Octo Stages is an 8-voice analog envelope, Octo Pass is an 8-voice analog filter, and Octo Gain is an 8-voice analog VCA. If you are going this route, then you definitely need a set of Polytip patch cables. One more module I think is essential for a polyphonic system is the M module, which is a mult module for Polytip cables. There are a couple other utility modules that are super useful, however, not completely necessary for this system. OctoVert is an 8-channel invert, scale, and offset module, and Octo.io allows you to convert 8 analog signals from your Eurorack system into Polytip and vice versa. So those are the modules you are going to need to get started with polyphony using Tiptop Audio's new line of polyphonic Eurorack modules, which are available now.